the wild boars fight for survival against predators. In the dense forests of Southeast Asia, a battle for survival unfolds every day. But there's one creature that stands out, defying the odds with its incredible resilience and cunning. Today, we dive into the world of the wild boar, a true master of survival in the animal kingdom. Picture this: a massive, muscular beast with razor-sharp tusks, charging through the underbrush at breakneck speed. Its powerful snout sniffs out danger from miles away, while its keen ears twitch at the slightest sound. This is the wild boar, a creature that has evolved over millions of years to become one of nature's most formidable survivors. But life in the wild is far from easy for these remarkable animals. Every day, they face a gauntlet of threats from predators that would make even the bravest human quake in their boots. From stealthy big cats to pack-hunting canines, the wild boar must constantly be on guard, ready to fight or flee at a moment's notice. Let's start with one of the wild boar's most feared enemies, the tiger. These striped hunters are the apex predators of the forest, capable of taking down prey much larger than themselves. But the wild boar is no easy target. When confronted by a tiger, a boar will often stand its ground, using its powerful tusks as weapons to fend off the attack. The boar's thick hide and layer of fat provide a natural armor, making it difficult for even the tiger's sharp claws to penetrate. But it's not just the big cats that the wild boar has to worry about. Packs of wolves and wild dogs also pose a significant threat. These cunning hunters work together, using their numbers to overwhelm their prey. However, the wild boar has a few tricks up its sleeve. When threatened by a pack, boars will often form a defensive circle, with the adults facing outward and the young protected in the center. This formation allows them to present a united front, using their tusks to keep the predators at bay. One of the wild boar's most impressive survival tactics is its ability to adapt to different environments. These hardy animals can be found in a wide range of habitats, from tropical rainforests to temperate woodlands. This adaptability allows them to find food and shelter in even the most challenging conditions, giving them an edge over predators that may be more specialized in their habitat requirements. The wild boar's diet is another key factor in its survival success. These omnivorous animals will eat almost anything they can find, from roots and tubers to small animals and carrion. This diverse diet ensures that they can always find sustenance, even when other food sources are scarce. Their powerful snouts are perfectly adapted for rooting through the soil, allowing them to unearth hidden treats that other animals might miss. But it's not just their physical attributes that make wild boars such successful survivors. These animals are also incredibly intelligent, with problem-solving abilities that rival those of many primates. They have been observed using tools such as logs and rocks to test electric fences and find weak spots. This intelligence allows them to outsmart predators and find innovative solutions to the challenges they face in the wild. The wild boar's social structure also plays a crucial role in its survival. These animals live in groups called sounders, typically consisting of several females and their offspring. The males, or boars, often live solitary lives, joining the group only during mating season. This social structure provides safety in numbers, with multiple adults working together to protect the young and keep watch for danger. One of the most fascinating aspects of wild boar behavior is their communication system. These animals use a variety of vocalizations, from grunts and squeals to more complex calls, to warn each other of danger and coordinate their movements. They also use scent marking to communicate, leaving behind pheromone-laden secretions that can convey information about their identity, reproductive status, and even emotional state. Despite their impressive survival skills, wild boars face numerous threats in the modern world. Habitat loss due to human encroachment is a major concern, as is hunting pressure in many areas. Climate change is also altering the landscapes these animals call home, forcing them to adapt to new conditions or face extinction. However, The wild boar's resilience and adaptability have allowed it to thrive even in the face of these challenges. In fact, in some areas, wild boar populations have exploded, leading to conflicts with humans as they venture into agricultural lands and urban areas in search of food. This ability to adapt to human-altered landscapes is a testament to the wild boar's incredible survival instincts. As we've seen, the wild boar is a true master of survival, equipped with an arsenal of physical and behavioral adaptations that allow it to thrive in even the most challenging environments. From its powerful tusks and thick hide to its intelligence and social structure, every aspect of the wild boar's biology and behavior has been honed by millions of years of evolution to create the ultimate survivor. But perhaps the most important lesson we can learn from the wild boar is the value of resilience and adaptability. In a world that's constantly changing, the ability to adapt and overcome challenges is more important than ever. Whether we're facing personal obstacles or global crises, we could all benefit from channeling a little bit of the wild boar's indomitable spirit. So the next time you're faced with a seemingly insurmountable challenge, take a moment to think about the wild boar. Remember its strength, its cunning, and its unwavering determination to survive against all odds. And who knows, you might just find the inspiration you need to charge forward and conquer your own personal jungle. In the end, the story of the wild boar is not just a tale of survival in the animal kingdom. It's a reminder of the incredible resilience of life itself and the power of adaptation in the face of adversity. As we continue to face our own challenges in an ever-changing world, let's take a page from the wild boar's book and face them head-on, with courage, intelligence, and an unwavering will to survive.